12 cleaning mistakes you're probably making. Cleaning. We all have to do it. But are we really doing it right? You might spend hours scrubbing, dusting, and vacuuming, only to realize that your home doesn't feel as fresh or spotless as it should. That's because even the most well-intentioned cleaning routines can be sabotaged by simple mistakes. The worst part? You probably don't even realize you're making them. Don't worry though. In this video, we uncover the most common cleaning blunders, so you can clean smarter, not harder. Here are 12 common cleaning mistakes and how to fix them. Number 1. Cleaning from bottom to top. It might seem logical to start with the floor, since that's where all the dirt ends up, right? Wrong. When you dust or wipe surfaces above, all that grime falls down onto the areas you just cleaned. This not only wastes your time, but also leaves your space looking messier than before. The fix? Always start from the top. Think ceiling fans, shelves, and countertops, and work your way down to the floors. This top-to-bottom approach ensures that any dust or debris that falls during the process will be cleaned up when you finally reach the floor. Number 2. Not letting disinfectants sit long enough. Spray, wipe, done. That's how most people use disinfectants. But did you know they require a certain dwell time to kill germs effectively? If you're wiping them off immediately, you're just giving those bacteria a quick rinse. This mistake can leave harmful pathogens lingering on surfaces, and that defeats the purpose of disinfecting. Always check the label for instructions. Most products need to sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes to do their job properly. Allowing the disinfectant to air dry when possible can maximize its effectiveness, ensuring a truly clean and germ-free surface. Number 3. Using the same cloth for everything. Reusing the same cloth to clean your kitchen counters, bathroom sink, and coffee table might feel efficient, but it's a germ-spreading disaster. You're essentially transporting bacteria from one surface to another, increasing the risk of cross-contamination between areas. The solution? Use color-coded cloths, or assign specific rags for different areas to keep things organized and hygienic. Number 4. Mixing cleaning products. More isn't always better, especially when it comes to cleaning chemicals. Some people mix products like bleach and ammonia, thinking it will create a super-powered cleaner. Big mistake. This combination produces toxic chloramine vapors, which can cause serious respiratory issues and eye irritation, and can be fatal in extreme cases. Stick to one product at a time, and if you need to switch, rinse the area thoroughly before applying something new. Always read labels carefully and follow manufacturer instructions to ensure safe and effective cleaning without putting your health at risk. Number 5. Using a feather duster. Feather dusters look fancy, but they're pretty much just dust relocation devices. Instead of trapping dust, they just push it around, sending particles into the air, only to settle somewhere else. This obviously makes your cleaning efforts less effective and can trigger allergies and respiratory issues. Opt for a microfiber cloth instead. It grabs onto dust and holds it tightly, leaving surfaces impeccably clean. For those hard-to-reach areas, consider using a microfiber duster with an extendable handle to capture dust effectively without scattering it around your home. Number 6. Vacuuming too fast. If you're zipping through your vacuuming session like you're in a race, you're not giving your vacuum enough time to do its job. Slow, deliberate passes allow the vacuum to suck up dirt and debris more effectively, especially on carpets where particles settle deep into the fibers. Moving too quickly means you might miss hidden dirt, pet hair, and allergens. Take your time and vacuum in overlapping rows to ensure thorough coverage. For high traffic areas, make multiple passes from different directions to lift embedded dirt and keep your floors truly clean. Number 7. using paper towels on glass. Paper towels seem like the go-to for cleaning mirrors and windows, but they often leave lint, streaks, and tiny scratches behind. If you want that streak-free, crystal-clear finish, use a microfiber cloth. The waffle weave type is particularly great. It cleans better and reduces waste, making it an eco-friendly option. Number 8. Neglecting air vents and filters. Out of sight, out of mind, until your air quality suffers. Dirty air vents and filters can circulate dust, allergens, and even mold throughout your home, contributing to respiratory issues and allergies. Regularly vacuum or wipe down vents to remove accumulated dust and debris. Also, don't forget to replace HVAC filters according to the manufacturer's recommendations, usually every 1 to 3 months. Keeping vents and filters clean improves indoor air quality and helps your HVAC system run more efficiently, saving you money on energy bills and reducing the risk of costly repairs. Number 9. Using too much water on wood floors. Wood and water aren't exactly best friends. Using too much water when cleaning wood floors can cause warping, swelling, and even mold growth, especially if the water seeps into cracks and seams. Excess moisture can also damage the finish, leaving your floors looking dull and worn. Instead, use a damp mop with a cleaner specifically designed for wood floors. Make sure to dry the floors immediately with a clean, dry cloth to prevent moisture from lingering. Regular sweeping or vacuuming can also help reduce the need for wet cleaning, preserving the beauty and integrity of your wood floors. Number 10. Skipping the tops of cabinets and doors. We often focus on eye-level surfaces, forgetting that dust doesn't discriminate. The tops of kitchen cabinets, door frames, and tall shelves collect thick layers of dust if left untouched. This not only looks gross when you finally notice it, but can also affect air quality. Grab your step stool every few weeks and quickly dust those hard-to-reach spots with a microfiber cloth. Number 11. Skipping the underside of furniture and appliances. When was the last time you cleaned under your couch or the fridge? Exactly. It's easy to ignore those hidden areas too. But dust, pet hair, and even food crumbs can accumulate there. Over time, this buildup can trigger allergies and attract pests. Make it a habit to occasionally flip or move furniture and appliances to clean underneath and around them. Use a vacuum with a crevice tool or a microfiber duster to reach tight spaces. Your lungs and your guests will thank you. Number 12. Not cleaning your cleaning tools. You wouldn't wash your dishes with a dirty sponge. At least, we hope not. So why clean your house with dirty tools? Mops, vacuums, rags, and even washing machines need regular cleaning to maintain their effectiveness. Otherwise, you're just spreading germs and grime around. Don't forget tools like toilet brushes and brooms, which also harbor bacteria. Keeping your cleaning tools clean ensures a healthier, more efficient cleaning routine. Cleaning isn't just about checking tasks off a list, it's about doing it properly. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll save time, reduce frustration, and create a healthier living environment. So, here's to cleaning smarter, not harder. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.